loaded up. Made it to the airport, off to Melbourne.
Melbourne. Look how many bags Jay has. And for once, I only have one! How are you feeling, Jay, carting that massive stack?
A bit jealous. Jealous of Catie just with her one little bag.
One bag. That has never ever happened to me before. Where are we going?
Off to Melbourne for a little fun job. Hopefully it's beautiful and sunny down there, but it's Melbourne, you never know what you're going to get.
Wow, you can get pretty good detail this close.
Hello.
What are you doing, Jay?
Just sending a photo of Dylan to the family chat. Oh, good morning. We've made it to Melbourne. We're ready. And to the city. I'm just waiting for our Uber. We're all packed up and ready to go.
Uber.
Uber somewhere.
This is the gangster's Uber. Panadol.
Have you got a flat phone, Catie?
Yeah, I do actually. Always.
There's like people sitting around everywhere. Like feel a bit more.
Tram.
I could get left here and we'll just get out on the other side.
Alright, let's go outside and film some stuff.
In 2013, we started Activated Nutrients to help find an innovative solution to a number of common health problems experienced by many Australians.
How'd you go, Jay? Jay,
Done.
what's next?
The first two locations up in the office. And then I think we're about 2/3 through doing all the interviews and all the box pops. And then moving on to the farmers markets. Blair's nailing it. He's a bit stressed. He's getting through it.
Off to the farmers market.
Gonna be all over my face now.
Time for a little bit of lunch. A few locations down. Went to the farmers market, but it wasn't quite the right zone, so we're relocated to a grocery.
A recent Australian survey found that 95% of Australians aren't eating their recommended intake of fruit and vegetables.
The great good shoots come on. We celebrate. Celebrate active nutrients. Come on. Woo. Celebrate. 'Cause it's a good day. It keeps going.
And most importantly, there's a surfboard in the shop.
Awesome. Thanks for having us.
My pleasure.
Pretty sure that's a wrap for Melbourne. My arms are dead from carrying that camera around all day yesterday. Need to go get a massage.